I may seem shiny now, but that's just radiance. I'm not oily at all. Experience with acne, it really started when I was a preteen. So I didn't even hit like full puberty yet, and I was starting to get spots. But then when I graduated high school, it turned into a severe cystic kind of acne that really dominated like my entire face. I've been to specialists, I've had treatments, I had needles in my face, all different type of rollers and stuff, and painful procedures for my skin. Seeing myself represented in the skincare community. One, I don't see my color as represented in the skincare community as often as lighter skin or white skin, I may say. And skin with a condition like acne or even like eczema, you don't see. It's still something that's really frowned upon. There's a lot of stigmas around skin conditions, thinking that, acne is dirty, or, acne can be solved with just these few little changes in your lifestyle. And when you look at it like that, it seems like the person who is suffering from the condition isn't trying. As if, they're just letting their skin do whatever it wants and they're not making an effort to make any change at all. When my acne started to get really bad, I started trying too hard. I ended up burning my skin with skincare products, overwashing, like really strips and damages the skin. Used hundreds of products. A new product, you kind of got trust issues. You kind of really defensive, like, is that gonna work? And really you have to have the open mindset of saying, let's give this a try. I first started seeing results with the P-Cell Acne Serum around the end of the 2-week period. That's when I noticed my skin was more even and radiant and bright. And I kind of felt like my undertones in my skin were like popping out more. Like I look very, very healthy. My skin looks healthy. Even if I had, a few pimples, my skin, my texture, my pores, it was just looking a lot smoother. My skin looked a lot smoother, as if I was like wearing like a light filter. I really like that the ingredients with the P-Cell Acne Serum wasn't excessive and like unnecessary. Regarding my discoloration and like my spots and stuff, I did see major improvement in that. I will say I saw more improvement with my scarring and my hyperpigmentation than I did with the acne, but I did see my acne calming down and less inflammation, and the speeding up of the healing time of my acne did speed up. So also did see my acne improving and healing at a faster rate than it usually does. It felt really smooth and like silky, and it was very moisturizing, but it wasn't like sticky, or it felt like it sat heavy on your skin. I really felt it absorbing into my skin while I was like rubbing it in. I had a spot open for it. I was looking for it.